Hello everyone, this is Nika, and today we are going to help you mix your favorite cocktails one episode at a time with Lotus Gin Room. Because what is more exciting than making your own cocktails at home? Let me introduce you to the Lotus Gin Room's cocktail project. Another thing about learning how to mix your own cocktails is knowing how to stock them. That's why for this episode with Lotus Gin Room, we are going to talk about the basics you need to set up your own bar. With that, let me introduce to you Mk.
Hi guys, I'm Mk, your man behind the bar.
So now we are here at the Lotus Gin Room bar, and Kuya Mk, what's your recommendation for those who want to have their own bar setup at home? Like, what are the spirits that they have to have?
You need to know first what's your preference drink. Get it first. Kasi hindi mo naman kukunin kaagad yung tequila or bourbon if hindi naman siya yung prepared drinks mo, right? You can go first with your best or your prepared, then go na lang sa other kind ng spirits para magkaroon na rin ng ibang ambience yung bar mo.
And Kuya Mk, what is your recommendation for the mixers?
Okay, for the mixers, you can try to stock up for like a soda water for highball, tonic water for gin and tonic, and some juices for cocktails. And you can also add some syrups like honey or sugar.
Alright. And is there a certain temperature where you can stock your spirits?
Okay. For the certain temperature of the spirits, it must be only room temperature. Kasi when it goes up, it will change the flavor of the drink, of the alcohols. It will oxidize. So those flavor notes, flavor profile of every drinks or every alcohol, it will fade.
Now, after learning how to stock up our own bar, we are gonna make a drink. Kuya Mk, what are we gonna make today?
Okay, so for today, we are going to make a highball.
And what is a highball?
So highball, it is a kind of refreshing, tall drink that mostly have the ingredients of bourbon and soda water with a squeeze of lime or lemon. Okay, step 1 in making a highball. So fill your glass with ice. That will be good.
And one more. Perfect.
Jim Beam is more on a sweeter side than the Maker's Mark.
Alright, then I'll try the Maker's Mark.
Sure, I'll go with the Jim Beam. So using also again your jigger.
So we'll take the jigger.
Yes, one full shot of the bigger one.
Okay.
So 45 ml. And then there you go. Next.
And the next step will be
pour your soda water.
So we have our soda water over here.
Okay, for the ratio of the highball, it's also again 1:4.
1:4. Alright.
4 shots of soda water. Oops, careful.
Oops.
1. 3 and 4. Okay. Good. Next, just stir it.
Take this here.
Yes.
And then just stir it.
Okay, it will be good. Just enough to combine all the ingredients. Next, so for garnish, what do you prefer? Either lemon or lime wedge?
What is the difference between the two?
So for lemon, it will give a nice citrus and aroma, while lime, it balances the flavor of the drink.
Alright, then I'll have a lemon.
Lemon, sure. Okay.
And
Then squeeze.
then squeeze it. Side.
Yes. Then drop.
Then drop it.
And just
And
this lightly stir. Then it's good to go. You have already your highball.
See.
Okay.
And there you go, guys. Isn't it easy and doable to prepare your own drinks while stocking up your own bar? Now let's cheers. It's very good. Knowing the proper way of stocking up your own bar is not as hard as you think. This guide is very important for those who want to set up their own cocktail bar at home. And with the Cocktail Project guiding you about it, we ensure you that making drinks will be fun and easy to learn. Again, this is Nika, your host.
And this is Mk, your man behind the bar.
To follow us on our cocktail mixing journey, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on our YouTube and social media accounts. Click the bell button to be notified on our next episode. If you're in the metro, I do recommend you dropping by Lotus Gin Room's bar here in Kapitolyo, Pasig. See you guys in the next episode, and this is The Cocktail Project.